Equation 32. A 0.62 kg wood block is firmly attached to a very light horizontal spring, K equal to 180 Nm/meter, as shown in the figure below. It is noted that the block spring system, when compressed 5 cm and released, stretched out 2.3 cm beyond the equilibrium position before stopping and turning back. What is the coefficient of kinetic friction between the block and the table? So before working on how to find the answer, we need to extract the information given. So here it gives us the mass m equal to 0.62 kg, and then it gives us k spring constant, which is 180 Nm/meter, and then x initial and then x final, which is x initial equal to negative 0.05 meter. We change cm to meter, and x final equal to 0.023 meter. So the delta x is equal to x final minus x initial equal to 0.073 meter.
So to calculate the coefficient of friction, kinetic friction, we'll use the formula of work non-conservative, which is equals to total energy. Okay, so here, for this spring system, we don't have both kinetic energy and potential energy, gravitational potential energy, because we don't have kinetic energy because the initial energy is already zero, and then the final kinetic energy is also zero because it stops first. And then for the gravitational potential energy, there's no gravitational potential energy because the wood block only moves horizontally instead of vertically. So we already cancel out those two, and we are left with spring potential energy. So we substitute the formula, and then work non-conservative is also equals to negative mu and delta x. Okay, and then negative mu, we know that n is equals to weight of the wood block, so we can replace that with mg. And then we substitute all the numbers inside. Negative mu times with 0.62 kg times with 9.8 meter per second times with 0.073, which will then equals to half 180 multiplied with 0.023 square minus 0.05 square, which will then leave us negative 0.444 mu, which is equals to negative 0.177. In the end, we'll get mu equals to 0.4. Therefore, the coefficient of kinetic friction for this wood block is equals to 0.4.